Welcome to Masterclass with Jesus, where the message is love, the lesson is truth, and the teacher is the Lord Himself. In this space, we dive into the timeless words of Jesus, made fresh, clear, and simple enough for even a child to understand. Whether you're new to the faith or returning with questions, you're in the right place. Today's insight: Jesus is the light of the world. In John 8:12, Jesus declares, "I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will never walk in darkness, but will have the light of life." That's not just poetic, it's revolutionary. In a world clouded by confusion, hatred, and fear, Jesus doesn't just bring light. He is the light. He reveals what's hidden. He exposes injustice. He guides us out of darkness that is not just physical, but spiritual, emotional, and moral. In John chapter 1:5, it says, "The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness has not overcome it." Think about that. No matter how thick the darkness, it cannot overpower even the smallest light. And Jesus is not small. His light is eternal. But here's the challenge. Are we walking in that light, or are we settling for shadows? In Matthew 5:14-16, Jesus tells us, "You are the light of the world. Let your light shine before others." He invites us to reflect His light in kindness, truth, justice, and love. So today, ask yourself, am I living in the light or hiding from it? This is Masterclass with Jesus. Until next time, stay bright, stay true, shine on, peace and love.
I am your host, Tipaste. Until the next episode, peace and love.
Today.